Okay, at the end of my previous video, I was a little bit confused as to why I had a negative p-value. It turns out all the way through these tables, I got a sign error. It should be p minus 10a, minus 20b, minus 15 is 0. That will give you the profit. Will give you the cost, and I want to minimize the cost. So I've just gone through all of the tableaus and just times that whole row by -1 all the way through, which is how it should have been in the first place. And when I do that, I end up with this tableau at the end. Well, I've got minus 12,000 there, minus 25 there, minus 7 there. Those two are positive, but technically they're not there anymore because they're my artificials, so they should have been deleted. And then I've got plus 14,400. Okay, so that's my final tableau. So what does that mean in context? Because I guess they could give you this final tableau and then you need to extract what this means. What this means is we are going to produce 320 packets of air-fried crisps. So produce 320 packets of air-fried crisps. And then we're going to produce 200 packets of baked crisps. That was our minimum for that one. One of our constraints was to produce at least 200 packets of baked crisps. And then the final one is 480 packets of air-fried crisps. Produce 480 packets of oil-fried crisps. Okay. That will be a cost of $14,400. That was in pence because it was 10p, 20p and 15p to produce each packet, so that's in pence. So you could then write that as £144. Okay, so how much it's going to cost to produce these packets of crisps. And all the constraints are met. Okay, if you add up those three numbers, they come to exactly 1,000. So that satisfies those two constraints there. That's more than 200. That's more than 300. And well, do we have any potatoes left? No, we don't have any potatoes left because this this column is 0. So what we should find is 320 divided by 800 plus 200 divided by 1,000 plus 480 divided by 1,200. That should be the number 1. There we go. Okay, so that's the number 1. That means that all the potatoes are used. And 320 divided by 800, that means 40% of the potatoes are used for the air-fried crisps, 20% of the potatoes are used for the baked crisps, and that would leave 40% of the potatoes used for the oil-fried crisps. Okay, and that's that problem. Thanks very much for watching, yeah, I think my next topic is moving on to kind of bigger linear programming problems and how to write network problems as linear programs, and also we're going to look at some software outputs to make sure we can interpret those. Okay, thank you very much for watching.